Hello everybody. I'm hoping you can hear me because I don't have room on the table there for me to stand there and talk and cut and have everything laid out. So today for dinner what I'm actually doing is I'm doing some foil packets, which is just a really nice, easy, I'd say somewhat lazy dinner. So far what I have in there, I have 4 of these because there's 4 of us eating tonight. So one pack will be, like one of these little foils will be for one person. So I have 1 potato in each one of them. I'm putting 2 sausages, as you're kind of seeing right at the moment as I'm talking. I'm cutting them up. I only have so much floor space or table space, whatever you want to call it. I only have so much room. I'm just putting the sausages on here. Oh, that one, the casing didn't cut. Oh well. And these are just some farmer sausages that I'm putting on. All it is salt, pepper, pork. Okay, so I'll bring you guys back in just a moment when I have the sausages on all of them. Okay, so each one of them have 2 sausages, 1 potato. Now what I'm going to do is I have 1 of these done up. I have 1 carrot. So I'm going to add 1 carrot to each of these, each one of them. So I'll bring you right back as soon as I'm done putting carrots on each one. Okay, and now I'm going to add a sprinkling of green onions on each one. Now I'll just give it some more flavor. A little bit more on that one. Okay. Now, just give me one moment here. Okay, spice-wise, salt. A little bit of pepper. And a shake of dill. I'm not putting any butter or oil or anything on these because the sausages have enough grease on their own. So now what I'm going to do is I'm pretty sure I will need some more tin foil for these, but we'll see. Oh yeah, I will. I'm just going to fold these up and make them into their own little tents here. And wrap it a second time so that way I can flip it over while I'm cooking it. Now I'm just going to finish wrapping all these up and go stick them on the barbecue. These take about half hour to cook roughly. Just all depends on how hot your barbecue is and all that other fun stuff. Okay, so I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. Alright, and they are done. I just gotta go pull the other ones out, but I just cracked this one open so I could check it. You can see, there we go. Dinner. Nice and easy. And very little dishes to clean up. So this took about 45 minutes to cook. And yeah, and my barbecue is roughly around 400 the entire time. And again, you can do this in the oven and all that other kind of stuff too, but this is very little cleanup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.